Okay, so I've got a really a real pale pink fondant, different rolling pin. I'm going to lay this on here and just firmly press. Okay, that should be long enough. So let me cut this off here and off here. See if I can pick it up without it sticking, hopefully. Okay, perfect. Okay, what I want to do, I like this pattern. I thought this looked really nice for the edge of the overlay of the dress here. So I need it to be the same length as this. So I could use this as a ruler. So from about this line down to about this one. So we'll cut right about in there and right about here. And what I wanted to do is have about 2 sets of these squares right in here. So let me cut right up here. So I've got 1, 2, and then right in here. 1, 2, right in there. It's nice because they're it's a little diamond pattern. Okay, so let me just kind of place this here. Okay, nice. Okay, so what I'm going to need is a little bit of water. And I'll place that on there. I still kind of want it to crinkle up just a little bit at the top. So I'm just kind of pleating that slightly at the top. And then I can use the back of a paintbrush. Actually, it's a little long, so let me cut some of that off. To kind of lift this up and just create a little bit of a crease in there. Attach that at the base. Okay, and then we'll do the other side. I'm going to actually move this over. It's going to be tied in the center here with a bow. So it's almost best if they actually meet in the center there and then it comes out. Like that's the top part of the dress. Let me open this up a little bit more. Okay, great. All right, now for the bands around, right around here on the sleeves. You just take a little bit more pink. Okay, this is a different rolling pin. This makes more like a grosgrain ribbon type design. So what I want to do is roll it, let's see, this way. And then we need to cut some strips. And I need it to be about, needs to be this thick. So I can take anything to measure this piece of fondant. So it's got to be that wide. Little water, all the way down here. You can always use a spatula to kind of tuck that under. Okay. Then the other side. I like bringing in the different rolling pins, giving it different texture, but you certainly don't have to. You can just use a plain ribbon here. You don't have to have all the fancy rolling pins. Now notice I'm not laying that flat. I'm actually kind of pulling that up a little bit. Okay, so that's that so far.